Kids Talk 2, Unit 5.
Speak the English the world understands.
Things we see. Birds. This is a parrot. A parrot is a bird. Parrots repeat everything they hear. A parrot is a beautiful bird.
Speak right.
In the classroom. Hello children, it's once again a pleasure to be here again. Today we go to your classrooms. What are some of the words we use in the class? First, we say the word desk. 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 Did you hear that? Desk. D. E. S. K. Desk. One more time. Desk. We also have your bags in the classroom. Bag. Bag. B. A. G. Bag. Do you have a school bag? Yes, I have a school bag. 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 That's wonderful. Now what do you have in your bag? I have pen. Tell me again. Pen. Do you mean pen we used to write? Yes, that is it. Pen. Pen. P. E. M. Pen. Pen. So let's say the words over again. Desk. Desk. Bag. Bag. Pen. Pen. Bye-bye.
Speak right.
Hi everyone. It's time to sing a rhyme. In today's rhyme, we're going to look at two boys who went to fetch a pail of water. Their names are Jack and Jill. Listen now.
Jack and Jill went up the hill to fetch a pail of water. Jack fell down and broke his crown, and Jill came tumbling after. Jack and Jill went up the hill to fetch a pail of water. Jack fell down and broke his crown, and Jill came tumbling after. Jack and Jill went up the hill to fetch a pail of water. Jack fell down and broke his crown, and Jill came tumbling after. Jack fell down and broke his crown, and Jill came tumbling after. Jack fell down and broke his crown, and Jill came tumbling after.
Speak the English the world understands.